everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and I have to speak very, very quietly because it's currently 5:12 in the morning. That's right, and if I speak with my normal Joey voice, I'm pretty sure I'm going to wake up everyone on 22nd Street here in North Wildwood. But right now, we're going to be doing something that a lot of you guys asked me for, and that is to watch the sunrise and video it for you guys. And we have the drone, so we're gonna do all that and more. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up, and have a cup of coffee, wake up a little bit, and enjoy this beautiful sunrise. Let's do this. Now, to give you an idea what we're dealing with today, we've got this. It's starting to rise a little bit. The sky is starting to get a little bit brighter out. There's a decent amount of clouds. We have the moon kind of just like hanging out over here. And yeah, we're gonna walk the 4 blocks of the boardwalk and see if we can get any beautiful colors in the sky. Some pinks, some reds, some oranges. So this is gonna be great. It's gonna be beautiful. You can see how quiet it is. There's not one car this way. I think there's one car down there. That's pretty much about it. Now, because we're in August, the sunrise is happening later and later in the day. You know, in the beginning of the summer, it was like maybe 5:12 that like the sun would be like fully breaking the plane. So it's kind of weird that it's pretty much today's going to be like 5:58. I'm not ready for shorter days. Can we go back towards like June 20th, where it was like the longest day of the year? Am I right? And we're just getting to the boardwalk. The sky is getting brighter. It's so quiet. Do you hear the crickets going? It looks like we're gonna get a little bit of clouds, but it's still going to be beautiful. Now, I always suggest to people when you come on vacation, plan for one of these days. You know, wake up really early, do the sunrise, maybe rent some bikes, go out to breakfast somewhere, and then maybe sleep a little bit on the beach or sleep when you get back to your hotel room, and then enjoy the rest of your day, because this is honestly one of the best things you can do. And you have to appreciate everything in life, and this is one of the most beautiful things that happens every single day. And let me flip the camera on so you can see what like the empty boardwalk looks like at 5 something in the morning. Very quiet. But let's hurry up because it's getting brighter. You can actually see some color. Oh, just a side note, because it turns out not many people know this, and I'm actually surprised. But if you're going to the beach in North Wildwood, you know, normally they have like a stand in front of here. It's kind of like intimidating. Like you don't want to walk up to it because you know, like, oh, you gotta show your ID or something or whatever. You just tell the guy you're going to the beach. I believe legally they have to let you walk through here to get to the beach. I believe it's the same thing that Moy's Piers has to do, which is why they have ramps at the end so that you can actually enter on the beach. Yeah, so this is always a good spot to go walk. Anyway, you can hear the ocean. It's getting brighter out. And we are on the beach. You know, one of the best things you can do is grab one of the lifeguard stands and sit up there and watch it. I'll be flying the drones, so it might be a little bit harder to fly from up there. But in about, we'll say 20 minutes, the sun will be coming up straight all the way down there. You can see the sky changing colors, very bright there. Obviously the camera doesn't really give justice to colors. It doesn't look like they started cleaning the beaches yet for the morning. They're probably down on the crest doing their thing. Let me zoom in, you can see some people already on the beach. Your camera doesn't work well in low light. So here's my view for the moment. I'm on the 22nd Street stand, hanging out. Some seagulls flying around. And just an update, a lot of people actually are coming out, which is great. There is a cloud line here, which is no fun, but it's great to see so many people out here. They didn't come yet to clean the beach yet, but they will soon. And we have about, I would say maybe 8 to 10 minutes until we can finally see the sun. Oh, and if it sounds like I am rambling, it's because I'm exhausted. I work overnights, and I got done work at 5, and then I came down here. So I've been up since yesterday at 10:30. So, woohoo! Here comes the colors. Look how beautiful. It's just this right here. Come on, you clouds, get out of the way. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see much of the sunrise. Not until I guess maybe like an hour after. But look how beautiful those colors are, right? Now the sun is supposed to be rising this very second, but as you can see, so the sun's been up for about 5 minutes now. I feel so bad, not just for you guys, but also everyone on vacation who decided to come out and watch the sunrise. Ooh, I feel so bad. I didn't bring the drone with me. I have with me behind me, but on a side note, behind me we've got these clouds that are pink and pretty. And I'm just realizing I look like the biggest tourist ever because flip-flops with sweats on, with a hoodie. I've got my I love you like seagulls love curly fries shirt on, and my crossover drone bag. Sometimes I forget how I'm dressing. It's really funny. But I'm walking down to the water to see if we can get any like reflections, maybe some cool colors. On a complete side note, I always get questions about, hey Joey, where do you guys find sand dollars? Well, right now is the perfect time to look for it because not many people have been on the beach since the sun had set. Things calm ashore. Right now the tide's low. It's actually low by at least 20 feet. And so now's the time to do that. Yeah. But we're starting to get a little bit more color, so I'll put the drone in the sky just so that we can at least get something. I mean, I charged it, right? So there you guys go. I know I feel really bad. Oh, that's the best we're getting right now. It's been about like 25 minutes after the sun had risen, or at least crossed the plain. I guess I owe you guys a redo. Maybe in a few weeks. Who knows? Maybe with Julia. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. I need to get some sleep. I can barely talk and I'm so tired. But if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys later. And as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.